you.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this used to be a coat closet, and Steven built some really nice shelves for us to put our microwave, which is really nice so that we don't have to waste counter space, and then another shelf for all of our spices. But we think that we can fit one more shelf to fit all of the baby stuff that we're gonna have here in the next couple of weeks. So we're gonna show you today how Steven built these shelves when we build this third one. It's super easy, super inexpensive, and we'll go ahead and show you all of the steps. Alright, so Steven already made the cuts. This is 3/4 inch plywood that we got from Home Depot?
Yep.
From Home Depot. And it's just cut to the dimensions of the closet. And then what are these? What are all these small pieces?
Same thing. So this will be 2-inch front. It's going to come up like this and cover up on the front, and then these two pieces back here are going to be our supports. They'll go into the studs on either side.
Got it.
And the shelf will rest on those.
Yeah, so I really like...
Go ahead and stain everything.
I like how he did this when I showed the picture of the other shelves. So you could theoretically just put this 3/4 inch plywood on the supports, but I think putting this little front piece on it really finishes it off and makes it look a little bit more custom and just more kind of, I don't know, just makes it look nicer. So next step we're gonna do is stain it.
Yep.
And then I'll show you what stain we're using. All the materials will be linked below, and all of the, you'll have to obviously customize to your dimensions, but everything that we're doing will be linked down below. So this is the stain we're using. We got this from Sherwin-Williams, but you can get it anywhere where they sell Minwax, which probably Lowe's or Home Depot, but we got it in the color Special Walnut, and that's the color that you saw inside the pantry already. So we're just gonna go ahead and stain it. And what are you using? Using a brush?
Yeah, just a little foam brush.
Okay.
These are 99 cents at Home Depot.
Okay.
Disposable. Just paint it on and throw it out.
Okay, that's perfect. Have you ever used a rag, or do you feel like this just works easier?
Yeah, we used it to do the others, and it worked pretty well. So you can use a rag, you can use a brush, but this seemed to work well, and it's inexpensive and easy to clean up. So.
Okay, cool. All right, well, so I'll go ahead and probably speed this up and show how we stain it.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
checking the height of my new shelf, making sure it's level, both sides. We'll come in, find a couple of studs. Should be too low. Mark off the center of our studs. Just right above our line.
You're marking off the center of the studs.
Yeah, right above the line so we can see it when we go to hold our piece of wood up.
Okay.
On this side, and then again on this side. And I've cut mine to 17¼ inches, so I should only catch 2 studs if we're 16 on center.
Okay, so it's about an hour later. The stain has dried out here. We're super happy with this color. So next step is to install these supports in the closet, and then we'll go ahead and put the shelf up.
Alright, so we're back inside. We got our stain support bars. 2 of these to go on either side. We're going to put them in with these number 8 inch and 5/8 T25 star drive screws. They come with the star drive bit. These have been awesome. Done a ton of stuff with these that they never seem to strip out on me, and they hold strong, so highly recommend these guys for any of your projects. We're going to throw it in with our impact driver. Just toss these out real quick. And our level's back there, right? So we're going to throw these on our line into our stud. We already marked it for level. So we'll just put them in. Well, let's double check that we're level here. Find our other stud mark. Alright, so to put this one up and make sure we get our shelf exactly level, we're going to transfer our stud mark over, and we're going to pre-drill, pre-screw these screws halfway in, and then we'll pop them up along with our shelf. Make sure you don't screw too far through and hit your dining room table.
You're making me nervous.
Yeah, making Mom nervous. Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
So we just put, well not we, Steven just put the shelf up in here, and it's balancing on that one support right now. And
we're just gonna get it to level real quick.
okay.
Pretty close to right on our line. Double check it this way. Whoops. Front to back. There. Alright.
Alright, how's it look? Is it level?
There we go.
Let's see.
And now we're plumb.
Perfect. Okay, so now you're gonna put that front panel piece on?
Yep.
Okay. What are you up to, Minnie? Long day?
Alright, so now we've got this up on our top shelf and lined up, and we're just going to take the 18 gauge brad nails and pop them in to secure it. And we'll be done.
Beautiful. Love it.
Just like that.
Awesome. So how much would you say each of these shelves cost total?
These shelves are probably $10 shelves. We use 3/4 inch nice red oak plywood. So right now the price of lumber is probably on the more expensive side. You could use something a little cheaper on the top if you wanted to just paint it versus staining it. Since we wanted to stain it, we wanted a nice piece of plywood, but yeah, probably $10 shelves, depending on your lumber prices.
Awesome. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything I want to on this other shelf and organize this pantry a little bit better, but super happy with how this turned out. You can really transform a closet pretty affordably. I'm hoping that we'll actually tackle our linen closet next. We have kind of a similar setup over here with just some old planks, but I'd love to convert the shelves to the ones that we have over there in the pantry. So maybe that'll be our next project. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Bye.